Absolutely.
Hey, here is our good buddy from HARDI coming in to say hello. Whoa, we're dropping shit. How are you?
I'm doing great because we're kicking off HARDI Latin. No longer HARDI Mexico. We're all over Latin America now.
So you're expanding the horizon of HARDI.
Absolutely.
Truly making it international.
Yes, we're dotting the I on HARDI. And you guys are one of my favorite people, you know it.
And
That's
you
why
are
we're here.
as well. We had you as our keynote speaker at our Miami event.
Yes.
We're announcing today we're doing Miami season 2.
Oh, wow.
So
looking forward to that.
2024.
I heard some fantastic numbers, like over 1 million followers after the event was put on.
If only.
Not the followers, but we had 14 million impressions because of that event in that 3-day period. 14
million
independent impressions.
That's bigger than the population of the whole Caribbean, my God.
Is that it? We should go there to celebrate, I think, is what we should do.
I think we should actually spend it after it's done.
We need a debrief.
We need like a 2 days R&R.
Yes.
Remember, Miami
Actually,
is the capital of the Caribbean, so there we go.
Is it really?
Well, it's the capital of Latin America, for sure.
Oh, I did not know that.
Direct flights everywhere in Latin America. Miami
R&R
is big.
in Aruba maybe, or Trinidad.
I'm in.
Dominican Republic.
I am
wow.
in. So what was the first country besides Mexico that you guys reached out to?
Well, we were fortunate that one of our big manufacturers, Lennox, they paid for a year of membership to some of their top distributors because they saw the value that their distributors got in getting into HARDI Mexico at the time. So they decided, hey, let's put everybody that it's one of our top guys inside so they get best practices in sales, marketing, and everything.
That's a good way to
and it's worked really well.
the skids.
And now we got people from Guatemala, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Nicaragua. They're calling on us, and we're saying we're on our way.
Excellent. Congratulations to you. I know that's a
amazing.
big win.
I think you should say instead of dotting the I, it's putting the tilde on it.
Oh my God, I love you. That's great. I'm going to copy that one.
You should. You can have it.
Thank you.
Well, we're excited. We're excited to be a member of HARDI. Matthew and I believe in it. I mean, the whole company, all of Centrotherm believes in HARDI. So much so that Matthew and I sit on some of the committees.
Absolutely.
We are happy to give back to the community and give back to HARDI. We look forward to continuing that relationship. And we can't say enough about HARDI. If our competitors are not listening, hopefully, but if you don't belong in HARDI, you should join. It provides a lot of value.
I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. I have a lot of fun every time we get together. I love all you guys over there as well. I hope to see you guys soon in Miami.
Oh, yeah.
And my daughter said hello, by the way.
Oh, I have some new
I told
paintings
her that
I think she's going to love.
Yeah, send us some pictures.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks,
Take care,
man.
guys. All the best.
All the best.